Today we're going to talk about something that is really bugging me, and it has been doing so for a long time, and that is about DJI and the complete lack of backwards compatibility when it comes to DJI drones. So back in the days when I had a DJI Mini 3 Pro, I was using it so much, and to be able to do some specific things, I upgraded my remote to the DJI RC Pro. That is a super expensive remote, but it has some really good advantages. And one of them is that you could install third-party apps, so you could do flight planning and do things that you could not do without the DJI RC Pro. And that was basically the only way to do some kind of work that I did for some clients. And then the DJI Mini 4 Pro came to the market, and I was really looking forward to be able to use that camera and the sensors you had in that drone together with my DJI RC Pro to be able to do the same work but with a Pro controller instead. Just to realize that they don't make the DJI Mini 4 Pro backwards compatible to work together with the DJI RC Pro. Then it was the next thing when I got the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and that was about the filters that you could put at the front of the lens to the camera, because I had invested in so many ND filters and other kind of accessories to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and because they look almost the same, I was initially under the impression that this is great, I'm going to be able to use the same things without buying new stuff again. Just to realize that I just had to change some small things so you couldn't fit the old lenses. And now we have reached to the DJI Flip. And it's actually so much easier to travel with because you don't really risk to destroy the propellers and stuff. And the camera on this drone is the same camera that you have on the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and they look almost identical. Let me bring the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We can directly see that it's not only the specifications that are the same on these two cameras, they also look the same, except that they have made a little difference here. So you can't fit these filters on the DJI Flip either, even though it's the same camera. Because if you take off this one, and then I'm going to try to put it on the DJI Flip, we can see that there is no way to attach this. It must be that DJI is working together with these accessory part companies, because it's an economy. I understand that they also need work and they need to sell their accessories. But when it comes to the compatibility and the environmental thought about maybe being able to use old stuff instead of buying everything new all the time, it just doesn't exist. And it really annoys me. Here they have used the same camera, but they intentionally make small differences so you can't use the same lenses. Don't get me wrong here, I love DJI products. They make some of the best drones and other products on the market, and I spend so much money when I'm buying them. But this is kind of driving me nuts. So what do you think about this way that DJI does this? Please let me know in the comments what you think about this. See you in the next video. Bye.